Hey girl, hey. So today we're going to be doing a bob cut. But before we get started, let me just say, no, you cannot book this hairstyle. This was strictly for content and content purposes only. And to show you guys, if you haven't, how to slay a bob. But I do not offer this service in the salon, so don't ask. So normally I would do the neck strips and put the paper on that way. But with short hair, it doesn't really last that way. The style usually don't even last but a couple of days because I don't have any hair to sew the cap to. So because I can't sew the cap down, it's Florida, it's hot, it just don't last. And I have people calling me saying the hair didn't last and this and that. So I'm gonna start doing it this way. But remember, in the salon, I'm not doing a full quick weave. But I do offer partial quick weaves, and that's when your sides and back is cut and you just get a weave in the top. I do have several videos on my channel um, demonstrating those, and on my Facebook page as well, doing partial quick weaves. So partial quick weaves I will offer, but that's it. Now this hair that I'm using, some of it was some hair that I had in the back, and then some of it was, I think, sensual. The quality, not really the greatest. Um, but April probably ain't gonna have this in that long anyway. I'll say 2 weeks, which is to me long enough for a quick weave. No longer than 3 weeks. Um, the hair that April brought in was much shorter than I thought it would be. It was a 10-inch. So I ended up using, like I say, the hair that I had at the salon. So I'm kind of piecing it in. I'm putting the longer pieces on the right side, which will be the side that I'm going to have. That's going to be a little longer than the left side anyway. So I just did it that way so it'll look right, and the part that I want long won't look weird, or like that jagged look in the front. So that's what we're doing. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah. Feels like an ocean. The way you're touching me must be emotion. The way it's meant to be, all the emotion. Spinning in my head, feels like an ocean. Baby, there ain't nobody like. I love to do my bob cuts. Well, weave bob cuts. I love to do them with clippers, especially kind of starting out. And I guess I ain't gonna say all the time because I guess it depends on the type of bob I'm doing. If I'm doing like a more fringe cut or that like sliced up cut, in the back, then I would definitely start out with a razor and probably not do it all at once, it's like do the bottom first. But anyway, enough of rambling. I absolutely love the Babyliss trimmers. Yes, there are so many different trimmers you can use. So, well, clipper, I'm using a clipper. But this one is very lightweight. I had a few others, Andy. Now my Big Mac, I love my Big Mac, but I definitely love this Babyliss trimmer clipper. I don't know why I keep saying trimmer, clipper. So shout out to Babyliss. Now I'm just doing like some layers so that we're not doing like just a blunt type bob. We are doing a little bit of layers, so she'll have like some lift in the back and some movement. It won't be just completely stiff because who wants a stiff bob? And the hair already isn't that great, so it's not like it's gonna be silky, bouncy, like that. It's not gonna be one of those kind of bobs. The hair was given very much cheap, okay? But this is what we got, so this is what we working with. Um, But the more that you layer it and, you know, cut it and get some of that weight and stuff out of it, it'll be easier to work with. Kind of, I ain't gonna say easy to work with. It'll look better, period. Not even looking for a fancy word. It'll look better.
You, no, it's true. Who could do the things you do just like you? Baby,
Now, if you've been around, you know I love my Tinkle razor. Uh, I do want to kind of start using another razor, but when I tell y'all, I'm kind of scared because I used to use the metal ones, and baby, I used to have holes. Like when you cut too deep, you make a hole. Like I'm traumatized. So I'm spraying her hair down with some Kenra dry oil. And what the Kenra dry oil do is it just kind of lays the hair down, and you know how weave, especially commercial hair, can have those like flyaways where the hair isn't really even per se, like you know those little hairs sticking up. So it just smooths the hair down, smooths the flyaways down, and just make everything firm. I like to use it when I do silk press too. Not when I'm actually silking the hair out, but when I'm curling to style, I definitely like to pull out my camera dry oil, baby. One of my best kept secrets. Not even a secret, because if you follow me here on YouTube, then I always talk about it. But if you are new here, yes, we are Team Kenra over here. I use a lot of Kenra products. And you guys, I will have them linked from Amazon as well. And I'll have them linked here on YouTube. So whichever is easier for you, grab you some, girl.
ain't nobody like you. Do you feel the same? Cause I got high hopes. Do you want the same? Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same? Do you want me, babe? Or is it just a game? Cause I got high hopes.
And I'm so sorry about that glare that's kind of like showing. Um, it was something on my lens. I kept trying to get it off. I would look and I would feel like I didn't see nothing. Then I'll look again and feel like I saw something. I don't know. So anyway, I'm sorry. Ain't nothing else I can say. I'm sorry.
My mind tells me it's easy to make it come around. I think you want me the same way I want you, almost too easy. Baby, there ain't nobody like you. No, it's true. Could do.
Now, when I got to this short part of her hair, it was giving me hell. For one, her hair isn't like bone straight. We did relax it recently, but it was only a partial on the sides and the back. And you know, she does wear a shortcut, so I didn't want to over relax her hair, over process it for the sake of this bob. So it required me to do a lot, a lot of smoothing and spraying gots to be, because I know I'm like, okay, if I try to use any kind of gel or just foam wrap, that shit ain't gonna last. So gots to be was the only way. It was no other way I could even pull it off. And it still wasn't as polished as I would have liked it on the side. But again, her hair wasn't bone straight. So we did what we had to do, and it worked out. Definitely the bob slayed. But you know, we don't do stuff just for the sake of one style. No,
The things you do just like you. Baby, there ain't nobody like you. Do you feel the same? Cause Cause I got high hopes. Do you want the same? Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same?
And so we are also going to use some of that Main Life Collection wax stick. Baby, it's the best wax stick that you can get, period. And you can get that at mainlifestudio.com. And now I'm just spraying a little bit of holding spray and just so her hair can blend in as much as possible with the weave. Because this weave doesn't really match her hair, it blends in with her hair. And B, her hair is short. So you just want to make sure that you can't tell where her hair ends and where the weave begins.
Do you want me, babe? Or is it just a game? Cause I got high hopes. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Do you feel the same? Cause I got.
So y'all, April is done. I'm just doing like a little light comb out or whatever. And y'all say hey to April anyway because she is one of my new assistants now. So you'll be seeing her more often if you're in the salon or possibly on my page. But sis be thinking she need to get her hair done every 3 days and we ain't doing that. So that's not gonna happen. But yeah, if y'all like this video, y'all know what to do. Give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell to get notified. And I'll see you guys again for the next video.
I didn't know. I didn't know. You like he just waiting for me to pick him up. I didn't know. You not gonna have my eyes itching today. We not gonna let you lick me.
Thank you.
That was so quiet.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Do you feel the same? Cause I got high hopes. Do you want the same? Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same? Do you want me, babe? Or is it just a game? Cause I got high hopes.